Hello everybody and welcome to this, the next in the series of offline educationals that have so far proved very helpful. This one is mindset, the right equation. And it is positivity over any level of negativity. What am I on about? Well, let me explain. There is a huge difference between the following statements, so listen carefully. I shall say this more than once. I am going to win. I am not going to lose. Now, of course, there are many subtle grey areas in between those two statements. And there are also extremes beyond both. The first statement, though, contains only positivity along the lines, I will win. However, the second statement and any similar utterances you may choose to make contain an element of negativity. I'm not going to lose, for instance, still contains the word lose. So you still have that negative sentiment or possibility in mind from the outset. How many times in a live session with me have you heard something like this? Price is going to the level at X and I'm in until we get there, or some similar comment. The technique for making your brain work well for you rather than against you is to apply these advanced forms of positive thinking. Negative thinking, or a negative mindset, quite simply and very obviously programs your brain to work itself against you. There is a real and present danger that positive thinking can produce a negative result. The example I stated already, for instance, I'm not going to lose, contains the word lose, and so the risk and the possibility exists that a loss is in your mind as the expected outcome. The brain is a subtle instrument, and we are shown on a daily basis in the various news items from around the world the impact of these subtle misinterpretations and the misuse of positivity by positive negativity. It is essential then to program a positive onto a positive. Visualize your trade going to target via the levels you should have already highlighted as being the resistance along the way, the fibs, etc. Never program yourself not to fail, not to be stupid, not to win. Program yourself to become increasingly more bright and alert, aware of all the levels involved in the process of your apt, analyze, plan, trade, preparation. One of the best ways to do this is to clarify your goals. Then repeat your positive on positive instruction to yourself whilst you are viewing the charts. Allow the communication to flow freely and vocally in order to best develop this aspect of your mental power. The most important growth you experience won't happen on some yoga mat while you're meditating. It happens in the thick of the action. Yes, when you're frustrated, when you're angry, when you're afraid, when you're greedy, when you're doing the same old stuff and you suddenly realize that you have a choice to do it all differently. Positivity. That's the right way to adopt the right mindset. It needs focus. It needs attention to detail. It also needs consistency. I do hope you enjoyed this latest in the series, and I hope to see you on the next. Please trade safe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next live webinar if you're in the groups. Cheers now. Bye bye.